Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can sign up for Fiverr affiliate program. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for fiverr.com. Now you will be redirected to this page. In order to apply for the Fiverr affiliate program, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on this embed. Now, the Fiverr affiliate program page will open up. On this web page, click on the Join Now button at the top and a form will be displayed. Inside this form, you will be asked to enter your complete name, email address, password, and all of the other required details. Once you are done filling in those fields, you will be able to select your account type. Now, most of us are usually self-employed, so in that case, we will select private. But if you own a company or business, you can select the other one. In the Sources tab, if you select Yes, then you would be prompted to enter the URL of the source of traffic, like your website or social media account. But right now, I will select No. Now, select your country and language and click on Next. On the next step, you will need to select the platforms you will be using to promote Fiverr. Simply select the ones you want, and on the audience's question, choose whichever you think is the right one. Now, checkmark these, click on Register Now, and voila! You have joined the affiliate program successfully. Simply tap on the Start Doing button, sign into your newly created account, and you will be redirected to the main dashboard. That's how you can sign up for Fiverr affiliate program. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.